Hi, my name is Balu. Today I am going to show you how to install the attachment viewer application in Fresh Service instance. First, go to the admin settings and search for apps. Click on apps. Then go back once and you can find the marketplace applications. All the marketplace application listed will be here. Then search for attachment viewer. Then click on the attachment viewer application. Here you can see the overview of the application and how to install guidance also you can find, and your app widget screenshots also you can find here. After installing the application, how it will look, the screenshot you can see in screenshots we can see, and click on install button. Okay, we need to provide API key, subdomain and attachments to show per page. First we will see the how to find the API key in Fresh Service instance. Okay, here right top corner you can find the profile. Click on profile settings and then you can find the API key. Then copy this API key and then paste here, and then we need to provide subdomain. Copy this URL, paste it here. Subdomain is nothing but URL you need to provide. Okay, sample I am giving 10 attachments per page. Click on validate. It will validate our credentials and then hit the install button. It installed successfully. Okay, then go to the tickets, go to the particular ticket. Then you can find the ticket sidebar application. It is showing two attachments. Here in this ticket conversation we have two attachments, that's why it's showing two attachments. If you add another attachment, it will list another attachment also inside ticket sidebar application. Here I am going to add attachment. Okay, I am adding the screenshot. Okay, click send. Okay, I am going to refresh the page. Click on sidebar application, then it will list out the screenshots. Okay, if you want to download the attachment, select particular checkbox, then click on download, then it will download automatically into your machine. This is the total workflow of the application. Okay, thank you, bye bye, good day.